I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we are going to make deliciously creamy vegan spinach artichoke pasta. This recipe is based on one of the most popular recipes from my website, a vegan spinach artichoke dip, and it basically uses a modified version of the dip as the pasta sauce, and y'all, you are going to love it. This pasta dish could not be easier to make, and you make it all in one pot, and you can even serve it from the same pot, which means a lot fewer dishes for you to wash at the end of the day. Start by cooking 8 ounces of rigatoni pasta. You can really use any type of bite-sized pasta that you like for this recipe. I'm just really into rigatoni right now, so that's what I'm using. While the pasta is cooking, you're going to make the garlic cashew cream, which is the base for this sauce. To make it, you want to soak some cashews in hot water. That's a quick soaking method that I use. It softens the cashews a lot more quickly than soaking in cold water. After the cashews are finished soaking, drain off that water and discard it. You don't want to use it for cooking because I don't know what it is about the soaking water, but it gets kind of funky. Add your cashews to the blender and then add half a cup of water. Again, do not use the soaking water. Make sure that you're using fresh water. Now it's time to add 3 cloves of garlic. You can see in the video that I am using minced garlic. I did not mince that garlic. I don't usually buy whole heads of garlic unless I really need them. I do like to keep a jar of minced garlic on hand though, so I'm just using the equivalent of 3 cloves. You can do either thing. It's gonna taste the same either way. Then it's time to add a little bit of lemon juice and you're ready to blend. You want to puree until this cashew cream is completely smooth and creamy. In a high-speed blender, that's about 1 minute of blending. If you're using a regular blender, it's going to take longer. But don't give up, just keep blending, scrape down the sides, blend again, and keep going until you have a totally smooth, creamy mixture. You don't want a gritty sauce because that's just not gonna be as delicious. By now, your pasta is definitely done cooking and hopefully you have drained it. You're going to just transfer it right back to the pan, and you're also going to add all of that garlic cashew cream that you just made. A thawed bag of frozen spinach, a drained can of quartered artichoke hearts, and now it's time to stir. So toss everything together until the pasta is well coated in all of that creamy sauce and you've incorporated the spinach and the artichoke pretty evenly throughout the pan. Now if you want to, you can warm it back up by turning the stove on to medium-low. This is really going to depend on how hot you like your food and also how quickly you worked. If you worked pretty quickly, everything might still be warm enough to just serve. But if you need to reheat it, just put it on medium-low and then stir constantly until it's heated through. Don't stop stirring and make sure that when you stir, you're scraping the bottom of the pot because that garlic cashew cream will stick if you don't keep things moving around. Once you finish heating it back up, you're ready to serve. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about making spinach artichoke pasta. If you have any questions that I didn't answer in this video, feel free to drop them below. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!